There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote the Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back here, Coyote the Gamer. So today we are going to Showo Euros import cars or something like that. So we're about to do like a cruise with all the cars. Our E-Dub gang crew is going up there. It's like a 3-hour drive. So right now it is 5:18 a.m. We're supposed to be at his house at 6. So when we're at his house, I'll start recording, show our V-dubs, and then we're gonna do a few pulls on the highway, and I'm gonna record those to the way there. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh! Ugh. Alright guys, we're at the house, V-dub gang. Gonna be cruising with a couple people. Like, I don't know, there's probably more that we're gonna see on the way, but here we got a MK3 2.0. We got a MK4 1.8T turbo. I don't know if this guy's gonna cruise up there or not, but
That's the one I see that screen. It's good. It's in.
alright guys, we made it to the first stop here. We're about an hour. We need to travel an hour. I've put 100 and something miles on my car. Ear hurts. Here we have the MK5. Looking good. The DSG transmission too.
Take it out. Put the new low control on the new
We got the trap car right here. We got the GLI and the wagon over there.
Please sometimes feel like
I took this shit out because I was supposed to switch it out before I came up here, and then I totally forgot to put the damn boat back on.
Nigga, pit stop. I gotta get some. And then my motor like some nigga food. Yeah.
Okay. Y'all didn't. Oh yeah.
No, because we woke up at 5 and we thought we were gonna stop and get food. I got a protein bar. That's all I got from the gas station.
Yeah.
Bro, I want to go swimming right now. No, I used to go swimming all in there.
Yeah.
It's fine. So maybe they got mine.
Oh gosh, it's not starting now. What happened? Dang. Huh? I know, dude. He just got this yesterday. Huh? Oh my gosh. Brand new tag and everything. Dude, it's
still
smoking.
smoking.
Yeah, it's still smoking.
It's something they do. Bro, that I did not expect it.
What?
My head, I got whipped.
Dude, and I drove that thing, dude. That hard, I drove it.
Rice and sit. Rice. You know what you need? You threw oil in your motor. If you shut off, you threw oil in that motor when you jerked.
Hey guys, we're back. We're on the way home. Two cars broke down, right?
Two cars. The silver wagon and the brand new
2017 Jetta GLI.
He purchased it used.
He purchased it used. He bought it yesterday. Yeah. But we're on the back now. We'll talk to you guys when we get gas.
3 hours. So.
Yeah, 3 hours, but we'll talk to you guys when we get gas. Shit, slow down. Tired of shit, going to sleep, good night.
Tired. I remember that.
Check out the brake dust.
Oh my gosh. He's tired and he slept too.
You slept too.
Not on the drive though.
I didn't sleep on the drive. I couldn't.
Alright guys,
I
so
was too worried about a crash.
we're done. It was how was it?
It was straight.
It was straight.
I love the ride up there. I hate the ride back.
Yeah, that ride up there was fun, but
Not because I wasn't riding in a loud piece of lawnmower.
oh my gosh, these tires.
I wasn't riding on a lawnmower on the way back.
You do know they're all lawnmowers because they're all forced cylinders, right? You do know that, right?
Yeah, but which
Yeah.
is more comfortable with that or other cars?
This right here, buddy. I love
The
my
R?
baby. I love my baby, man. This is my baby. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. The exhaust held on pretty good. Still there. I do music videos, that type of thing, but a little bit of driving in the mountains, and it's about it. Oh yeah guys, two cars. The 2017 Volkswagen GLI motor is blown. He bought it yesterday. It had a stage 2 tune on it, so he's going to return it because there's a policy, I think so, at this dealership he bought it from. So it was yep, that was devastating for him because he blew up his Mark 6 GTI. He hit a bump and the oil pan busted and he blew his motor, so it was like 20 grand to replace that. So he bought this one, having same trouble, and it was a manual too. Now the wagon, it had a knock, so he just stopped riding it, and they're gonna tow it here because we couldn't get a trailer. So yeah, at least my eBay built car made it here. It was 6 hours total drive, and if you want to add up the mountains, we used 2.5 tanks of gas. That was 400 something miles. So yeah, a few miles. But thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for my next video. Please like, subscribe, share. Will help me out a lot. As goes, guys. Peace out.